Pick up a package from a customer's address, then deliver to a drop-off location. Packages may be residential addresses, customer house, or apartment. Let's go ahead and accept that. DoorDash is now doing pickups from people's houses, so you can pick up a package from somebody's house and deliver it to a location. This is the very first time I'm seeing this at all, let alone in my market. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. See, I'm 5 minutes away from the pickup, so we're gonna head over to this customer and pick up this package. Oh, we made it to our pickup location. Let's see how this works. With a UPS shipping label. Okay. So we're gonna confirm pickup. And where are we taking this to? The UPS store? Alrighty. Our drop off location. Look like it's gonna be this UPS store right here. Like any other drop off, we're just gonna take a picture of it. Huh? Take a picture. Easy as that. Like. Oh, and the customer can tip on these too. So as you can see there, the customer tipped $2. DoorDash paid $7.50. God damn. Well, there you got it. DoorDash now does UPS drop off. If you get any of those in your area, let me know if they're working.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good, man.
I'm doing good. You ever heard of no tip, no trip?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Where's the tip?
Thought I did.
Stop it.
$1? Oh man, I'm gonna need you to do a little better than that, man. Look, I did you a favor on this one, but no tip, no trip is usually if it ain't no tip on there, we don't take it, or if we do take it, we eat it. You know what I'm saying? So take care of your driver. You order delivery. I'm good. Take care of the next driver for me.
All right.
Appreciate it.